Welcome. In this video, we'll walk you through the updated steps to create a Discord account quickly and easily. Whether you're new to Discord or just need a refresher, follow along as we break it down step by step. First, open the Discord app on your device. If you haven't installed it yet, download it from your app store. Once the app is launched, look for the Register button at the bottom of the screen and tap on it to begin. Next, you'll need to enter your email address or phone number. Choose whichever option works best for you, then follow the verification process. If you're using an email, check your inbox for a verification link. For phone numbers, you'll receive a code via SMS that you'll need to input. Now it's time to set up your profile. Choose a username that represents you. This can be changed later if needed. And create a strong password. Make sure your password is secure by using a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. After that, select your age by entering your date of birth. This step ensures compliance with Discord's age requirements. Once done, tap Create Account to proceed. Before moving forward, Discord will ask you to agree to its terms of service and privacy policy. Carefully review these documents and check the box indicating your agreement. Once your account is created, there's one final step: confirming your email address. Head over to your inbox and look for an email from Discord containing a verification link. Click on that link to finalize the process. Congratulations! Your Discord account is now ready to use. You can start joining servers, chatting with friends, and exploring all the features Discord has to offer. Thanks for watching. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. See you next time.